You can learn how to build your own chatbot game by watching this video series. We'll build a Mafia game inspired by the popular game Among Us. We'll be using the Python programming language, running our bot code in a service called REPL, and connecting to the popular chat service Discord. Make sure you press the subscribe button and click the bell so you don't miss any updates to this video series. In this video, you'll be creating a Discord user for your bot. The first thing you'll need to do to create an Among Us fan game in Discord is to find the Discord developer documentation. You can see the link in the video. Find the section on bots and apps and click Make an App. Here, I'm already logged in, but you may have to log in or create an account first before you see this screen. I'll call this application something generic, like Imposter. This screen is showing you an application in Discord. An application is Discord's way of being able to tell apart different bots from each other. Each bot has its own application. The client ID identifies your application and is unique for all of Discord. No other application that anyone has ever created has the same client ID as you, and none in the future will have either. There's also a client secret. Keep it secret. I'm not going to click reveal on this video, but if you accidentally share your secret, you can just click regenerate to create a new one. The OAuth 2 screen isn't something that we'll be using right now. We want to look at the bot tab. There's this scary looking text that says that adding a bot is irreversible, but if you look through the documentation, creating automation on a normal user account is forbidden, so clicking the Add Bot button is your only choice. There's also some text here about rate limits. These are things that prevent your bot from doing too many things per second so that the Discord servers don't get too overloaded. But one thing I did notice is that if your bot ever becomes very popular, you just have to talk to Discord. So let's go ahead and click Add Bot. Give your bot a name. This will be its username in Discord. We won't touch any of these other settings for now. There you go. Now you have a bot. Stay tuned for the next video in this series. If you haven't done so yet, make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.